I'm replacing my cabin filter. I show how in 4 different cars. This is something everybody can do, even EV owners. Jeff. Hola. I'm Mike, the backyard mechanic. This video on cabin filters is by popular demand. It's true. Of all the requested videos, this one had 100% of the vote. 1 of 1 people. Democracy. To talk about the subject, I found this picture, which made me uncomfortable because I quit smoking 15 years ago. But then I realized the fan was not requesting camel filters, he was requesting cabin filters. I thought this was a pretty good example here, with a filter of a bunny. Oh, so cute. And a kitty and a pig. But I was surprised to find a new Mike the Backyard Mechanic filter. That forehead's too high. Then I said to myself, Mike, you're the backyard mechanic. They must have been referring to cabin filters for filtering the air inside your car. It was a productive conversation. There are 2 primary reasons to replace the cabin filter: the efficiency of your HVAC unit and to reduce allergens inside the car and make it easier to breathe. I personally find breathing overrated. But one time I stopped and, well, it was a whole thing. The puddle was deeper than I thought. Or maybe it was the beer. I've switched to bourbon. Symptoms that your cabin filter's dirty or clogged are: reduced or weak airflow, a whistling sound, musty or unpleasant odors. Is that you? Excessive HVAC noise. The filter should be replaced every 15 to 30,000 miles, depending on your owner's manual. True story, every time Mrs. Backyard Mechanic and I would go for a drive in the Honda Pilot, her allergies would kick in and she would start coughing like she was at a Jamaican-y crazy reggae festival. The cabin filter was 100,000 miles old. I figured I had procrastinated long enough. Most cabin filters are accessed through the glove box. In the Pilot, push the sides of the glove box door in so they can be pulled down out of the way. There are clips on either side of the filter door. Push those in and pull the filter out. The Pilot has this nice tray that holds it in place. This filter is already clean and replaced, so I just beat it to get rid of the leaves and dust. Drop the new filter back in place, ensuring that the airflow arrow is in the correct direction, and push the drawer in until it clicks into place. Squeeze in the sides and close the glove box door. See? No excuse to change your filter. Other than the price. These are $98. You wouldn't think they'd be so expensive. In fact, they're not. I'm lying. I replaced the filter in the Honda Civic, very similar to the Pilot. Glove box door down, push in the tabs of the filter cover and pop it off. The filter is kind of up inside the dashboard on the Civic, but still simple enough. This one was 2 years old and a little dirty. Slide the new one in carefully and let it fall into place. Pop on the cover and close the glove box. Changing the filter in the Lexus is slightly more challenging. Step 1, pull the engine. Did I get you? Pop off the little shelf. The decorative cover lifts up and off. Then you have to ensure recirculation is turned to on. This opens the blend door, giving you access to the filter tray. I put the new filter in the tray to replace the old one, which got pretty dirty. Slide the tray back in, close the blend door, if that's the setting you had. Replace the decorative cover, the shelf, and push the door closed. Most cabin filters are in the glove box. The ones that are not are usually in the engine compartment. Ford gets creative this way with the Mustang. It's behind the battery, under the cowl vent grill. My cowl is pretty beat up and missing all the clips, so it pulls up pretty easily. This one was also replaced recently, so I just brushed off the debris and put it back in. But there was a bit of a problem. I struggled to get it in.
That's what she said. That's what she said. That's what she said.
Good one.
The right-hand cowl is attached to the left and needed to be unclipped. Now I have the room to get the filter in without it falling out of the holder. A vast majority of cabin filters are in these two places. Check your owner's manual. There are other things you can do for good air quality. Vacuum seats, carpet, and mats on a regular basis. Wipe the dust off of surfaces like the door panels and dashboard. Clean up spills right away to prevent mold growth. I know about mold. When my kids were little, we let them eat McDonald's in the back seat. That was the last time. After that, they got Burger King. Here's the main reason you should change your cabin filter. HVAC efficiency. If the car's heating and cooling needs to work harder, the engine needs to work harder, and that's power being taken away from going fast. Or getting good gas mileage if that's what matters to you, or going fast. Hey, I got a fan online. Hey fan, did I convince you to change your cabin filter?
Oh, did you want me to watch that?
Thanks, fan. If you found this video informative, watch this one on saving money changing your own oil. Ugliest thumbnail ever, but a good video. I figured I had procrastinated long enough.